Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I am going to explain what is NOC code and how to find correct NOC code for the job you are doing or the job you have done in past. Many people are so confused about it. So if you enter wrong NOC code which doesn't match your job duties, then your application for permanent residency, even if you applied for express entry or for PNP, might get rejected. But don't worry, I am going to explain everything in detail and with example that you will understand what is NOC code and how to find correct NOC code yourself. Also in the end I am going to show you a draft copy of a reference letter that you can use for your Canada permanent residency application process. So make sure you watch the video till end. And before we begin, please subscribe my channel so that you can get regular updates on my upcoming videos for different visa process, for resume tips and many more. Now let's begin. So what is NOC? So it is National Occupational Classification System to classify jobs in Canada, and these jobs are grouped based on specific job duties and work a person does. And along with job title, job duties are most important to find correct NOC. And to find out that, we will go on my laptop screen. So this is IRCC's website to find your NOC. I am going to post this link in a description box below, and on the screen you can find a short form of a link that you can type it in your browser and open the same page. So as I told you, NOC has a different job groups. So for immigration purpose, these are main job groups: 0, A, B, C and E. So NOC 0 has all management jobs such as managers, officers and more. Skill level A has all professional jobs: doctors, dentists, teachers, engineers, financial officers, etc., which usually requires a degree from university or a college degree with experience. NOC skill level B has all technical jobs and trade jobs such as chef, plumbers, supervisors, HR officers and more, which usually requires a college diploma or a training as an apprentice. And NOC skill level C has all intermediate jobs which requires at least high school or job specific trainings, and skill level D has all labor jobs. So for immigration purpose, to qualify for express entry, you need to have at least NOC 0, A or B. And for Atlantic Immigration Pilot Program, work experience must be in skill type 0, A, B or C. So now here is the search bar where you can put your job title, NOC code, or you can find by category. But if you are not sure about your exact NOC code or exact job titles, then here is a search page. You can just click on the page and another website will be open. Now here in this search bar, you can just type your job title and you can see all your job duties and education required. For example, I am going to search for software engineers. So let's see. So software engineer had two types of occupational categories. One is computer and information system manager, and second one is software engineers and designers. So I'm going to click software engineers, and now these are example job titles. So these are only examples. Your job title doesn't have to be same and exact, but the main important thing is job duties. So if your job duties are matching with your job title or your job role, then you qualify for this NOC code. So you need to check your main duties and compare with these duties. Also this education requirement, you must have a bachelor's degree or a master's degree. So now confusion is where your job title is software engineer but the duties are not matching. So what to do? So if you go down, there are several similar job titles and NOC codes. So if you think like your job duties are more of a developer, then click on this link and you can see the view occupational profile. Just click on that and web designers and developer NOC code will be open, and here you can see the main duties. If these duties are matching with your profile, then even though you have software engineer job title, you need to go with this knock code 2175. So once you finalize your knock code, just go back to the first page and just enter your knock code 2175, and you will see that web designers and developer, the main title for this knock code and skill level is A. So your job is NOC A. Now we are going to find one more example title is for teacher. So suppose if you are a primary teacher, then just click a teacher and search. So all the teacher related NOC codes will be open here. So if you are a primary school teacher, then just click on this elementary school and kindergarten teachers. If you click, these are the example titles, and you can find that you are a primary school teacher here. Now just go on duties and match all the duties with your current duties, and check the employment requirement. You must have a bachelor's degree and a training or specialized education or second language instruction. So overall, the main job duties should match at least 75% to your current job role or work experience certificate. Then only your knock code will be correct. So if you put this 4032 knock code for primary teacher on the first page, you will see your NOC skill type category. So it is in NOC A. So this way you can find your NOC code very easily. So this is my work experience letter in draft format, and my employer printed this out on letterhead with all my details. Language is in the past tense because I requested this letter after I left the job and I was already in Canada as a student. But if you are currently working on the job or your employer doesn't want to give a letter with this format on the letterhead, do not worry, I will cover those things in my next video. But you can pause this video and check it out the format. Here the information in red color are necessary, such as your name, company name, your job title, start date and end date if you are not working with that employer, work weekly average working hours, then your job is part-time or full-time. Sometimes they do not write the NOC code, so in that situation your job title and job duty should match exactly. So do not worry if they don't write NOC code on the letter. Now job duties must match 75% or more, but the wording can be different than what is showing on the website. So comparing my letter with the main duties, so here I have NOC code 2141 industrial and manufacturing engineers. So if I open that 2141 industrial and manufacturing engineers, these are example job titles, and my job title was senior engineer, and this doesn't match with the job title, and that is fine as I said. But if we go on main duties, here are the duties. So first is plan and design plant layouts and facilities. So here I write it as plan and design new layout that reduce manufacturing time and eliminate unnecessary processes. Now develop flexible or integrated manufacturing systems and procedures. So here what I have is develop manufacturing systems and procedures that reduce cost by analyzing production cost and increase production. Now I have conduct studies and implement programs to determine optimum inventory level for production and to allow optimum utilization of machinery. So here I have conduct time studies and simplify working procedures. So my job duties are matching with the main duties, but the wordings are not exactly same as what is shown, because these are all generalized job duties for all the engineers who falls under this category. So if we go on employment requirements, a bachelor degree in industrial engineering or related engineering discipline is required, which I have my bachelor's degree in mechanical engineering. So now in the end, ensure that you have name of a contact person with contact details, or sometimes only name with job title is okay as long as it is printed on a letterhead. I hope you get an idea of how your job experience letter should be for Canada PR. I hope this video will help you to find your correct NOC code and you will get an idea of how your work experience letter should be. And if you have any questions or concerns, please comment me in the comment box below and I will get back to you faster. Also, please subscribe my channel for my upcoming videos. Stay tuned guys. Thank you so much for watching the video.